my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating a spread in my catch-up planner, which is Sketchy Florals. It's a classic size happy planner for the week of June 9th through the 15th. So welcome if this is your first time. Thanks for finding me and spending some time with me. If you are coming back to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much. I can't wait to create this with you guys. So today I pulled out my older stickers, which I adore, and they're from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I'm gonna use them in conjunction with my lovely, seriously, like amazing Mojo Jojo plans stickers, which I can't for some reason live without, you guys. But JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop and Mojo Jojo are two JoJos that I truly love. And today we're gonna go ahead and create with both of their stickers. Also, plants. You guys, you know I'm obsessed with any kind of plants there are, and I love them, and I can't help myself. So this is what we're doing, and it is going to be kind of fun and different. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and draw all of my to-do lists first because why not? So I just draw all the circles on here. And in case you're wondering, yes, I also use Daily Grind for my goals. And this is in conjunction to this. This is more of my to-do list. The other one is kind of a little bit of that, but it's also a little bit more goal oriented. And yes, sometimes writing things twice is redundant, but if it doesn't bug you, then you know who's to judge, right? So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and just draw all of these checklists, just bullet points actually, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so let's keep going. The 15th is next, so I just need to draw all of my bullet points, and then off to decorating we go, which, if you guys know, is one of my favorite parts. So let's go for it. It's so therapeutic that I can't help myself. So here we go. Look how beautiful these things are. Like, I don't know if it's like a geranium or what it is, but it's pretty stunning and I really like it. So I'm gonna like stick it in there. But I have also all of these plants that I want to incorporate, and even if I do incorporate all of them, I think I'm going to have quite a few stickers left over. So those are two separate collections that I have combined. One has like the greenhouses and stuff in them, and the other one is just like plain plant. So yeah, I don't know. I really like both. I am using both. I don't think JoJo will mind me combining stickers. So here we go. Look at this candle. Like, just a side note, in case you didn't know, JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. So our lovely, wonderful JoJo, she draws all of her stickers by herself. So yeah, those are like hand drawn by her, and she cuts them, and yeah, I've been a customer for quite a few years now. Here we go. On top of that, like look at all of these plants, like how cool is this? And then she says, her quote is so funny. It says, "Thank goodness plant stickers can't die." Even though I'm actually a pretty good plant mama, they like live pretty long with me. So I am pretty fortunate. Even orchids, you guys, which I know is so hard, like bloom multiple times a year in my home. Okay, and then home is where your plants are, which is so true. I love my little planties, so they're gonna live with me wherever I am. I'm gonna add, look at this big one. Yeah, that's gonna go right here. It's gonna add just like a tiny pop of color with that terracotta like color, but yeah, it's gonna be great. Just watch. I'm gonna probably be using brown boxes for this as well, so it should be a lot of fun. Okay, I need boxes for every day, you guys. This is not gonna be easy. The grass is greener where you water it. Isn't that like so true? For me, it's so, so true. I'm gonna use some of these like sticker things like that look like canvases. I'm just gonna kind of hang them all over my spread. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but it is what it is for right now at least. So let's go for it. Let's see how many brown stickers I have left in here. Oh my god, not very many. Oh my goodness. I know I have a second book of this, so let me grab it. It's the neutral boxes. I probably should start using the gray ones a lot more. I'm gonna keep this book out just to remind myself, but yes, I love this book so much, you guys. Um, it's a good one. Okay, so let's keep going, and I'm gonna use a brand new one, and let's pull some stickers. So one for every day. I want browns, and as you guys always know, I need my tiny one. And that tiny one are for my work schedule. So we'll just keep going. I'm gonna include this on every single day. Like the bigger boxes are for events and appointments and stuff like that. And then the other boxes should be just for work. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put that. And let's keep going. I have so many things on the side here. My desk is literally a mess right now, but I'll get to it. Like, I know, I will work it out. Just don't know when or how. Because I still have quite a few things to film. But we shall see, right? Okay. So the main, well, I still need one for Monday, I think. And Wednesday. I don't know. Like, I don't think I've been thinking. But I'm gonna be adding these little things. Look how cute they are. Look at this, like this watering can. I want this in like a corner. Because why not? Okay. I also have these hexagons from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop that came with these stickers, and I think I wanna like add that to the spread as well. I can put like main events, like I know on Sunday it's Father's Day, right? So we're gonna go ahead and create a spread in there for that, like the little box for that to make sure I don't forget. So we're gonna be celebrating both of our dads this weekend. And let me go ahead and add more plants because I don't have enough plants in here. So let's do it. I know I'm like a crybaby about this, but I can't help it. I love my plants, and I don't think they'll ever change. It's kind of a little bit of a I don't know, jungle in my house, as my boyfriend calls it, because of all the plants that we have. But they're thriving. So how can I like get rid of plants that are doing so well? So oftentimes I will like gift them to other people, or I will propagate them and then share. But yeah, it's not something that I am like willing to give up. It's mine, and I'm doing so well with them, right? Like somebody needs to talk to him and tell him that this is how life works. If you can keep your plants live, you get to keep them. Because it is quite a hard task, right? When you think about it. Okay. Enough complaining, but yes, let's go ahead and add a couple more things. I'm looking for a few things that I need to put in here. So, I love all of this. I see that my like one of the terrariums or whatever it is, it's crooked, and I don't know if I can fix it. I do want to add JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop little thing in the corner so I know where the stickers are from when I do flip throughs, because that's what it's all about. I'm gonna add this beautiful hexagon in like very dark green in there, And I'm gonna put Father's Day in there and then plans on the top, like what we're doing as far as that goes. And then, hmm, let's see. Okay, let's add this because these canvases are kind of cool. So I'm gonna add one here. Because I have the terracotta plant in there, I'm gonna add gray to kind of remove that, lots of that brown yellow. Okay, anyway, so that's working, especially because that leaf next to it, like the base leaf, whatever that is black. So I think that's gonna kind of balance out. So let's see. What else can I add in here? I think I need those small stickers for my work. I know I need to add those. So let's do that. I should add like this week's sticker to the side because I always do those as well. There's so many things I'm doing, you guys. So yeah, let's go for it. Let's just add all the things. Because why not? Okay, small stickers. Can I use dark brown? Let's try this out and see if that will work. I almost think it will complement like those terrarium boxes. I don't know what to call them. You guys, can you tell me what those are? I think they're like flower terrariums, right? Is that what they're called? I'm so confused half the time. Okay, let's add, I don't think that's gonna work. Let's just add it up here. Okay, that works. That one right under there. They're gonna go in like different places. But yeah, the dark brown kind of works. I don't hate it, so we're gonna keep it. I know it's a lot of colors, but also it's kind of plain. So I don't know how that happened, but I like how this looks. I like the very like clean aesthetic of this, yet it's a very full spread, you guys. Oh my lord. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put it down, and then the 4 days that I'm working are on the thing. I'm gonna put this back in here, like so. And then yeah, we're good to go. I think I'm gonna call it a day. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!